Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for June the 15th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, Chinese regulators approved Bristol-Myers Squibb's Opdivo for the treatment of certain patients with locally advanced or metastatic non-small cell lung cancer. The decision by the China National Drug Administration makes the product the first PD-1 inhibitor authorized in the country. Also in the news, the FDA approved the first generic versions of Indivior's Suboxone Film from Dr. Reddy's Laboratories and Mylan, with the Indian drug maker noting that it will launch its product at risk. Indivior said it will seek an immediate injunction, with CEO Sean Thaxter noting, "We are surprised by Dr. Reddy's decision, given the associated significant risk to them of substantial economic damages." In other news, Teva will halt a Phase 3 study of the CGRP inhibitor fremanezumab in chronic cluster headache after a pre-specified futility analysis indicated that the main goal is unlikely to be met. Executive Tushar Shah said, "While we are disappointed with this outcome, we remain optimistic that fremanezumab could have clinical benefits in additional conditions beyond migraine." In addition, updated early-stage results showed that 4 patients with severe sickle cell disease are producing more than 30% of anti-sickling hemoglobin A T87Q after receiving Bluebird Bio's LentiGlobin gene therapy. Chief Medical Officer David Davison noted, "The first patient treated, now with 6 months of follow-up, is producing over 60% anti-sickling hemoglobin A T87Q with a normal total hemoglobin level of 14.2 grams per deciliter." And finally, in draft guidance, the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence concluded that continuing or starting treatment with Roche's Perjeta alongside existing treatments after surgery for women with HER2-positive breast cancer may not extend their life and is not cost-effective. The agency appraisal committee determined that study data showed only a small difference in the proportion of people who remained free from invasive disease, while there is a lack of evidence on overall survival. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.